What's up guys, Nick here back with another quick iOS tip that could totally save your day. If you always feel limited without split screen, or you've been wanting that Android-style split view on your iPhone, today's your lucky day, you can finally turn it on. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get real split screen working on your iPhone, 100% guaranteed and without any iOS jailbreak. Let's get started. Before we start, there are a few things you must prepare. First, on your iPhone, open the Settings app, tap your Apple ID, go to Find My, and make sure you turn it off. This prevents your iPhone from getting bricked during the process. Next, make sure your computer has the proper iTunes environment. You can open ReiBoot from the link in the description, tap More Features, and choose Repair iTunes. Run the check and repair, it's super quick. And don't uninstall it yet, you'll still need it later. To turn on this feature without jailbreaking, we're going to use a tool called Misaka 26. With this tool, not only can you enable Dynamic Island on unsupported iPhone models, you can even force enable Apple AI features. But today we're focusing only on how to unlock split screen. If you want tutorials for the other features, follow me, I'll be covering them in future videos. Misaka 26 works by taking advantage of an iOS bug. It repairs leftover system files before an iOS update, which lets you activate hidden features Apple hasn't officially released yet. But keep in mind, it only works on iOS 26.2 or below. Anything higher than that will run it. Here's how to do it step by step. First, use the link in the video description to download the Save Mobile Gestalt shortcut. Open the shortcut and follow the prompts on the screen. Once it finishes loading, tap the button that says Click Here. Then choose File and tap it. Next, select N as string. You'll now see a long list of PLT codes. Press and hold on the screen, tap Select All, and copy everything. After copying the content, go back to the shortcuts homepage. A save window will pop up, pick a location that's easy to find, tap Open, and the file will be saved. Next, open the Files app and find the plist file you just saved. Then share it to your computer using AirDrop, email, WeChat, whatever method you prefer. Once the file is successfully sent to your computer, you're ready for the next step. Now you need to download Misaka 26. I've placed the download link in the description, tap it, and it will take you straight to Misaka 26's official GitHub page. Scroll to the bottom and download the version that matches your computer. Then connect your iPhone to your computer with a cable. Once it's installed, click Select File and choose the plist you saved earlier. Scroll down, find TrollPad, and make sure you check that box. Here's a quick trick to boost your success rate. Open Shadow Lock it and switch to a working node. Then open the Books app, go to the bookstore, scroll to the free section, and download any free book. While it's downloading, tap Apply at the bottom. Your iPhone will reboot automatically. After the reboot, you'll probably notice nothing has changed. Don't worry, that's normal. Turn on your VPN again and wait about 2 minutes to let it download the bug files. Then force restart your iPhone. Press volume up, press volume down, then hold the power button until the Apple logo shows up. When it boots back up, boom, it's done. You can now freely use multitasking and enjoy real split screen on your iPhone. A lot of people ask, why does nothing happen even after I apply it several times? Don't worry, this is totally normal. Sometimes the background files just haven't finished downloading yet. I've had the same issue myself, no effect on the first day, then suddenly it worked after a reboot the next day. So give it a bit of time. Another common question is, what if I don't want this feature anymore? How do I remove it? Great question. You can go to your iPhone settings and choose Erase All Content, but that will wipe everything on your device, which I don't really recommend. Instead, I suggest using ReiBoot, the tool I told you not to install earlier. Open ReiBoot, click Start Repair, and choose Standard Repair. It will automatically detect your iOS version. Then click Download to get the firmware. Once it finishes downloading, hit Repair and wait about 20 minutes. When it's done, your iPhone will be completely back to normal and none of your data will be lost. That's it. Hope this helps you out. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. I'm Mick, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.